Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate another helpful setting that's part of the game control board and the game mode extreme on Panasonic televisions. So this setting is actually called input lag, and you can find it here just after you open up the game control board, like you can see here. But before explaining what it actually does, I wanted to explain the exceptions or the situations in which this will already be set in a specific way. So when the picture mode on the TV is set on any game modes manually, so like a Dolby Vision game or True Game mode, the input lag setting is going to be fixed on fast because that's going to give you the best response rates. So let's try to demonstrate. So really briefly, if I go from normal, for example, and I switch this to, let's go, just bear with me. I think I can find game mode here. There we go. You can see how within a split second the input lag setting was set to fast. So go back, switch it to normal, or pretty much anything except game. You'll see how the input lag setting comes back. Now, if you go and you select input lag, there's going to be three options available for you to select between. You're going to have auto. In this case, it's going to match the picture mode, which is on normal. But you also have a possibility to set it on fast if you want to by yourself, or normal. All right? Cool. The other way, this is going to switch automatically into fast. As like I said, if the TV switches the picture mode automatically to a game picture mode. So in my case, I'm just going to get my console controller here, and I'm going to open a game. And I want you to pay attention to this input lag setting. And as you already know, because the picture mode here on the left has been set to Dolby Vision game, the input lag is already fixed on fast. All right, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.